Good morning to all of you, and once again welcome back to my channel Steam Mechanical. Today in this video I will be discuss about a special case which is tension in rope from the chapter buoyancy and flotation. So let's go to the point of discussion. Now this case tension in rope we can discuss by classifying in two portion, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 what is basically happened, now the block is here present which is totally submerged within the tank, and with help of a rope this is attached at the bottom of the tank. So what is basically the forces acts, the weight of the body WB acts in downward direction, tension also acts in downward direction, and the buoyancy force offered by the liquid acts in the upward direction. Let we assume the density of the liquid is rho F and the density of the body is rho B. Okay, so if you equate the forces acts in the upward and downward direction, then what you can write down? You can write down in the upward direction force, buoyancy force is equal to the weight of the body plus tension. Okay, plus tension. So this weight of this B is basically small v. Okay, weight of the, now we have to find out the tension. So tension is equal to, we can write down buoyancy force minus weight of the body. Now this buoyancy force is nothing but, we know that weight of the fluid displaced. Okay, now this weight of the fluid displaced we can write as a rho of fluid G, and volume of fluid displaced, and weight of the body is rho of body G into volume of body. Now in this case the total body is submerged, means we can say that the volume of body here, volume of body is equal to volume of fluid displaced. Am I right? So G we can take common, volume of body we can take common, so rho of fluid minus rho of body. Okay, so this one is basically the formula to find out the tension when the rope is attached at the bottom of the tank. Now carefully listen. When the case type 1, you just remember G and B is, we can take common here. When the body try to goes upward, when the basically the density of the fluid is greater than the density of the body, this time the body try to go upward direction, but with help of a rope we are not allow the upward direction movement of the body. So the main point is that the density of the fluid is more than that of the density of the body. We have to subtract the lesser value from the more one. It is clear? So just by following this technique, follow me how I am writing down the this formula tension for the case number 2, where the same things, the block is also totally submerged in downward direction, weight of the body acts in the upward direction, buoyancy force act, and here we are assume the density of the fluid is rho F and density of the body is rho B. But here the tension is acts in the upward direction, means the body is suspended from the top. Okay, so here just like this case you can equate the forces in upward direction and downward direction, but I'm not writing it. Okay, I'm just write this equation, just follow me. We have to find out the tension. Now G we can take common, totally submerged mean volume of body also we can take common. Now let me tell one thing, that when the body try to goes downward direction, here body try to goes downward direction, that's why we are applying a tension with help of a rope in the upward direction. And when it will be happen, now when the density of the body is more than that of the density of the fluid, this time we actually the body try to go downward direction. So it is clear that the density of the body is more than that of the density of fluid. So just subtract the lesser one from the greater one. So this one is our formula to find out the tension for the type number 2, where the block is basically suspended from the top. This is the type number 1, where the block is basically attached at the bottom of the tank. Now with help of the concept whatever we are learned up to now, let's try to solve this question. In first question they are said that a wooden block of cubic shape with side 2 meter is submerged into a tank and tied with the help of a rope at the bottom of the tank. So where the rope is vertically attached, now at the bottom of the tank. Okay, now the density of the wooden block is given 800 kg per meter cube, and the liquid fill the tank is water, which density is also given 1000 kg per meter cube. Now we have to find out the tension in the rope. Now you tell me, this is the type number 1 or type number 2? The rope is attached at the bottom of the tank, means this is the type number 1. Okay, this is the type number 1. Now in case of the type number 1, how we can find out the tension? Now tension is equal to G. First carefully listen. Tension in this case, where we are trying to find out the tension in rope, is nothing but basically the difference in weight. It is clear? Okay, difference in weight. Here weight means rho into G into V. Now G is gravitational acceleration, and this is same for both case, so we can take G common. And totally submerged case, so volume also we can take common. Now this is the case where the rope is attached at the bottom of the tank, means the body try to goes upward. When the body try to goes upward, when the density of the body is lesser than that of the density of the liquid, so we have to subtract the lesser one from the greater one. So density of the body is more as compared to density of body. So this is the basically formula we have to apply in this question. And how you can remember? Totally I explain it. Simply G you can take common. Totally submerged case, so volume you can take common. If it is not a totally submerged case, then you have to find out the amount of the volume which is submerged within the tank. Okay, and here the difference in density, and we have to subtract the lesser one from the greater one. This is the technique how you can remember the formula of tension. So here G, there nothing is said, so 9.81. and volume, the volume of the block, listen, shape is cubic and side is 2 meter, so simply 2 cube is the volume of the body. Here density of the fluid is 1000 kg per meter cube, and density of the body is 800 kg per meter cube. So let's solve it with help of a calculator. So 9.81 into 2 cube means 8, into 1000 minus 800 means 200. So we are getting 15,696 this much Newton. Now if you try to convert it in kilonewton, then simply you can divide it by 1000. You will be get 15.696 kilo Newton. Okay, or you can simply write it as a 15.7 kilo Newton. So this is the answer. So I hope it is clear. So next, go to the next question. A block of aluminium having mass of 12 kg is suspended. So carefully read the question. Is suspended by a rope and lowered until submerged into a tank containing of oil. Relative density 0.8. Taking the relative density of aluminium is 2.4, then tension in the rope will be. So after reading the question, what you are get the point, that there is a aluminium block which is suspended, means the block is attached somewhere at the top of the tank side. Am I right? Now, so basically this is the type number 2. Am I right? This is the type number 2. So in case of type number 2, how we can write the equation of tension? Tension simply and there is a case where the body is totally submerged. Here listen, lowered until submerged into a tank, means it is the case of totally submerged, means we can take common G and volume of the body. So carefully, always you can't take volume of the body common, one and only when the body is totally submerged. In this case, the volume of the body is equal to volume of the fluid displaced will be equal, and in this case you can take volume of body common. Now we have to subtract the density of the lesser one from the greater one. Now here the rope is attached at the top, means the body try to goes downward. When the body try to goes downward, when the density of the body is greater than the density of the fluid, so we have to subtract density of the fluid from the density of the body. Okay, so this is basically our equation, which one we have to apply in this question. Now let apply it. Here G value they are provide, it is 10. Now volume, they are not directly provide us the volume, but they are provide us the mass. Okay, so if you carefully observe, the aluminium density of aluminium is nothing but the 2.4 into 1000. This one is given relative density, so if you want the density you have to multiply by 1000, so 2400 kg per meter cube. Similarly, density of the liquid or oil which is fill the tank, density of oil is nothing but the 0.8 into 1000, you will get 800 kg per meter cube. It is clear. Now here volume, we know that rho is equal to m by v, so volume can be written as a m by rho. Okay, so here mass of the block is given 12 kg, so 12 by density of the aluminum block we are getting 2400 into density of the block is 2400 minus density of the fluid is or oil is 800. Okay, so let's solve it. Simply 10 into 12 by 2400 into 2400 minus 800, so we are getting 80 Newton. Okay, so we are getting 80 Newton. So I hope this one is also clear to you. Okay, so if you get the idea that how you can find the value of tension in rope in both the cases, type 1 and type 2, and how easily without equating the forces in upward direction and downward direction, directly you can remember the tension formula. Simply G you can take common, because first things you have to remember, the tension is nothing but in this case the difference in weight. So weight is rho into G into V. So in both cases G common, totally submerged, then V you can take common, then difference in density only. Now difference is simple things, this tension will not be negative, so we have to difference, we have to subtract the lower density from the greater one. Okay, so I hope this one is clear to you. In this video this much only. If you find that my video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, and also like my video.